We can come out in China from
Being going motor pass with bicycle? What the hell are you talking about?
You can make it, yeah?
Oh, morning, listen me. It's me again, our favorite ugly man brethren. That's what's going on. We touched down in the bush. Party gone start, watch me. We walk with the walkers, the chainsaw, even have a couple toys. And make a trap. A thief that trap design from my brethren of mine.
And look out here. Look the ninja here.
You know what? Look we set up here. I tell you, we have a few little toys you walk with to play with. Check we stove. Make a little wood burning stove. Little small table, thing. Alright, but we're going to start. So I'm going to set all in our corner and let's just keep on going on now. All good? All right?
Big up to Shivani.
Big up to Shivani and Nissi.
Don't know.
All you seeing me, girls? We go on. Alright, well, we're making some good progress. Cutting the grass, but my brethren now hear me out, he tell me stop. He see an animal moving in the bush, so we're going to set up a trap and put it close to where you see the animal. So we lock off the waka on them. And he going to get some dry coconut. I go in and try to light the stove, get a fire going. So we're going to roast the coconut and that's going to be bait for the trap. And we're going to set it. Whew. Oh. Bush life. Alright, there we go. Fire time. All you seeing? Trying a new fire starter today. Cotton soaked in wax this time. The wax one a little harder to get started apparently. But always have a plan B. I do believe we're almost off to the races there already. Whew. See this? This right here is a sense of pride for having made a well-built stove out of garbage. That's what we're talking about. Fire! Oh, oh, oh. Primitive man discover fire. Alright, enough stupidness. With this one with the coconut. I'll throw some more wood on that, but taking off nice there. Stove working nice. Seeing that. Let's seeing that.
You're catching an animal. You can't put it in the hole, So if it have babies, the mother could dart out and mash up that kill, kick out that trap. And then again, if it have a big one coming, it could be blocked here, we get the door. But they catch it good. I had to block here. Because of this coconut, man go come and thief.
The same thing is going up everybody.
We go,
Yeah. Light in there just now. 10 seconds you got light. Let's see it, roast coconut. We're going to put it in the trap. And we're going to set it and we're going to get back to cutting.
Correct.
When we done cut, we're going to start lunch.
Lunch is coming.
like you make for it. Hey, coconut bait. Go chop.
Right now.
Yeah.
Just stick up in the arm camera on the left side of the red thing.
Yes, I just use that to tie up the
Oh.
the microphone wire.
Yeah, that's
Thanks. Just want to make sure I get everything now. But the same thing, the bush life. The woman of them can't make style on we, eh?
no, they could.
They can't make style on we at all.
They could.
Going.
Chef in the pot here.
The chef in the place.
Agouti with chicken foot.
We're gonna let our chicken bones right down there. The chef in the place. I'm gonna grab the chainsaw and I have some trees to fall. That's something I believe every man should do at least once in their life, eh? Chop a tree. Salt, tell me, where you are? You can't taste that hot, you have to wait till that cool.
Taste that. Yeah. This machine chop the Chinese. Pure Chinese now. She sees the chicken raw. Taste that.
That's smelling nice, dog.
Talk serious.
That's smelling real nice.
Wow.
Chop down that
Taste
bread
that.
for a day.
Taste that. Record yourself.
Oh, God, boy. Woo! Yeah,
Yeah, what to do?
that it touched my soul. I ain't gonna lie, it touched my
Which one? Your or our?
Let's see it. Million-star hotel and 5-star chef. Can't go wrong.
What?
Wait, is Michelin star rated?
Is that 10-star, right?
You ain't getting that in no restaurant. That different flavor altogether. You see that fireside? Brown sugar from the land where it come from. And we bad. Alright. I want to start a bitching, sorry.
Yeah, man. You want me to help you?
Nah!
You don't like help?
I don't like help as I'm born by myself as an only child.
No one.
That's why I put on the microphone for this one. People go say we are caveman dog. Mahmoud, that's too lashing. Yeah. I don't lie. I don't lie.
Pull it up. Over. No. Now I have it locked here. My foot there again. Fucking right there.
Okay. We're properly well tired. We walk. But what area? Look at the results. Place clear and nice. Don't mind these trees on them. These trees on them one all fell. So like that one over in the corner there, this one here, all them things will stay and dry up. And we'll come back in a time in and when all them leaf and things dry and chop up and clear up a little more. But for now, this is what we're looking like. It's not a quick process, it's a marathon, not a sprint. All I know that it is the intention here. See this little collection of trees here? That's what we want to use for we base everything. And we're building something around there. We're not sure where it is yet, but we're building something. Where there's a will, there's a way, right? Oh yes. I think we overdo it today a little bit though. I believe we overwork a little bit. But it's the excitement and you know the adrenaline when anything now chainsaw running, you feel quite manly. The pot's still bubbling over there. Food about ready. It's almost probably around 5 o'clock in the evening. Yeah, probably about 5 o'clock. I don't know. We ain't have no timepiece on we. But we spend our day and we do what we could do. Honest day's work. So we're gonna leave here to dry maybe for a week. Come back up next weekend and see how we proceeding from there. But before we go, we had to set this trap. This trap here, remember I was telling all about it, is a design that a good buddy of mine, I saw a YouTube video. My good buddy Vinny from Vinny's Day Off. The YouTube channel is Vinny's Day Off. I saw him build this trap. So I figured I would try it. And it's a nice design. So we're gonna set that, cover it down with a little camouflage and leave it. My boy said he could come back up and check it tomorrow and see what it do. Well, we know people in the area, we could make a phone call, but you know, can't be sending anybody in your place. All I know thing is. Alright. Seeing this end of the tree that I fell from over there, I was aiming for it to land on that dead coconut tree there. So I missed it by maybe 3 feet. I don't claim to be a woodsman, but I'm proud of that. I'm well proud of that. Well proud of everything we do here today. Look at this. Clear out a nice portion. Sunlight ain't touched that ground in a while. Whew. And on this rock, I will build my church. Well, it's not a rock, it's a bush. And it's not going to be a church, it's going to be a cabin, but I get the idea. Let's go and check on the pots. The chef leave the kitchen and gone. He trimming coconut plants. Stove working. Stove putting out nice heat with green fig done boil. With breadfruit done roast. We chicken, look at we stew chicken. Ah! Smelling nice, that's smelling real nice. Alright. Later folks. Ugly man out for the hour. Oh yes, another nice day in the bush and we out.
Yeah.